What is it's like a mouse now. I don't know why. It looks like a mouse. Pumpkin. It's very pumpkin. Yeah, so what's that for? Tell me what it's at. Everything. You got scared. Oh, Jesus. Hi. think so. I thought I was like, maybe you paint your nails.
Oh wait. Like first.
Is that your background color?
Yeah. We're here to pick up a project.
Thank you.
I was worried that the darker pink wouldn't show up because, like, when I painted it, you couldn't tell, but
Yeah,
it
faded.
showed up.
Somehow they
Yeah,
got the glaze all the way in there.
yeah, dip it in there.
Yeah.
I want to see the cats or skunks.
There's cats here?
Yeah.
Tell me that.
Well, last time, but that was like a while ago.
It's in Spanish. We're gonna go climb trash today. It should be the title.
First, we're gonna see if there's any skunks or cats.
You know where they live?
I don't know where they chill.
You know where they chill? Okay.
Where they hang out.
You know, also, think of all the things that could be below us right now.
Bodies.
Oh. I was thinking of like toys or something.
Oh. Do we smelling like a petting zoo?
Where are the pets?
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Should we run?
Why do you want to run?
Because the smell.
I got used to it.
Oh, you got used to it already?
If you think, you don't think about
I'm
it.
miserable. But you don't want to run to the other side.
There? To that house?
Yeah.
I can jog to that house.
Alright, let's jog. Are there cats?
Oh.
Ooh, skunk.
Yeah.
Cat.
Cat.
The first sighting of the day. Oh.
They're like homeless.
Oh my god, a tiny little bit.
You think we can very slowly approach it? Oh my god,
It's so
it's really cute.
Should we try approaching?
Yeah,
Who's yelling?
just slowly. You're going too fast. You're going too fast.
Oh fuck. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, there's some birds.
It was really cute, bro.
I thought it was tired enough it wouldn't run away.
It walked away.
Little kitty.
Where?
In the grass. I can't see it in my camera. Oh, is
I
that
can't
it?
see it at all.
It's like hidden.
How far is it?
Very close. You see the eyeball?
No.
Eyeball. Eyeball. How do you not see the black and
I see
white?
it black. Oh, I see it now. I see it. It's
Okay.
small, right?
Yeah, yeah. They're all pretty small.
Oh, it's turkey calls.
You started it. We're not Lots of bikes. Lots of dogs. Look at those grippers.
We are out in the wild today. We're out here with Irene. And she likes rocks.
I think it matches the...
I feel like we could have class there.
What?
It's like arranged in a circle. I feel like we could have a, you know, an event.
Uh-huh.
Potentially of religious nature. Look! I told you! I need to read this. What is... Wait, did I not tell you? Did I not say of religious nature? I felt it. I felt the presence.
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
I just caught a good moment there. You'll see later.
You tripped?
No. I just think it was like an artistically meaningful moment.
So like we're gonna try to get over there where that man is standing, because I think we parked in front of it, in front of that hill, running up that hill. No. This is quite pretty.
You think they're friends?
Yeah.
Or family?
Both.
Or cousins? Yeah,
They're everything.
everything.
Right, we're
This hill
in the final
meaningful,
stretch.
You
Whoa!
We started over there. Right there.
Yeah.
And then we went all the way over somewhere over there. I think somewhere over there. All the way.
All the way.
And then this hill. Is it okay? It's good? It's safe? It looks so steep. You're really going into nothing. Oh, it's so steep. Look, that's where we came from. Oh.
Do you want a tissue?
I'm okay. I can't feel anything.
But your nose.
I think it's not actually. I can't tell if it's. Did you know one nostril is always dormant?
What does that mean?
Like, you usually only breathe out of one nostril at a time.
Does that mean it's my left nostril?
Probably. It's your dominant nostril.
One of my nostrils is smaller.
Is it the right one?
I think so.
See, it all makes sense now. Breathe down, like, all air only comes out of one nostril all the time. Like, if you feel it. I can't feel my hands, so I can't confirm, but...
Like...
yeah, it's only coming out of one.
That's my right nostril.
Oh! So, turn of events.
Yeah, it's my right nostril.
That means that you're actually
Are you the
right
nose
nostril. Yeah, clearly. You can tell your fortune based off your nasal pad.
Alright, let's room out of here. So I'm putting on the light switch cover. Wow, that was a lot easier than I thought. One time when I was running here with my dad, it was like in the morning, and I had just eaten breakfast, so then I threw up.
Where?
Like here.
Right here.
Yeah, right here. On the side. And it was really awkward because these two, like, ladies were also on their little walk.
Yeah.
And so while I was just, like, on the side. Yeah. Oh, look at the bridge.
Did you feel better after?
Yeah.
That's not good though.
What is that animal?
Where?
Over there. It goes kind of like galloping.
Is it a deer?
I don't know.
I can't see anymore.
But it's like too big to be a rabbit. That is a rabbit.
It's a fat rabbit.
Wait, I don't know actually. What the fuck
is it a
was
raccoon?
that? No.
I need to put on my glasses.
It was kind of like a small, like giving small mini deer.
Like a dog?
But it was like galloping, you know? Maybe it was a big rabbit. Do you think there's big rabbits, like large, like small dogs, like sized rabbits?
Like a raccoon?
Okay, if it was a raccoon, I would have seen the tail.
The tail. There's other animals, I think.
But like the tail looked like a, like a rabbit or like a deer tail.
I can't think of anything else at the moment, but a whole other.
Wait, this is so pretty. Like the fog or whatever that is.
Yeah, what it is.
Oh. Fog.
That's good
Let me get
narration
that.
right there. I like that.